Okay, we are going to learn how to cast off. So this is what we are going to do when we finish our work to get our work off of the needles. So I'm going to start by knitting 2 stitches because we're on the knit side here. You can also cast off a purl stitch. Once I have 2 stitches on the right needle, I'm going to take my left needle and I'm going to use it to pick up the first stitch that I knitted onto the right needle and just pull it over top and off. And then when I have 1 stitch on this needle, we're going to knit 1 more onto it. And then same thing, use the left needle and we're going to pick up that first stitch and pull it over the second one and off. So when we pull it over, we've taken it off of the needle and we still have this stitch here holding it on so it won't unravel. We're going to do that until we get to the end of our row. Knit, pull it over, knit, pull it over, when you get the last stitch on your needle, you can just pull it along and then cut this tail. So you just pull it out and then we'll just cut this tail. And voila, you've cast off.